Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going to do this absolute Christmas classic. Hey, a little bit of rocking around the Christmas tree. Big hit for Brenda Lee way back in 1962, Brunswick Records. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me. In today's video, we're going to be going through all the chords so that you beginners can knock yourselves out with this one. And for those who want to get a bit daring, I've got the little filly bits in between if you fancy. So, if you're ready, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Right, let's get on with the intro. First thing. So, chords. You'll probably notice to start with, I've got the capo on the first fret. That's the key. You'll need to do that if you're playing in the same key as Brenda Lee. So, chords are G to E minor, then C to D. Now, if you're just a beginner and you're not too bothered about doing all the twiddly bits, crack on like this. We're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, G, E minor, C, D. Then we're ready for the song. Right, rocking around. Okay. If you do want to do the twiddly bits, it sounds like this. So we've got, what we're going to do a G, and then we're going to slide up to the 13th fret, and we're going to play the 13th fret, E string and B string twice. Now you can do down up, I do down down. There's no harm in it. You can either go, or you can go, up to you. So we've got G, so 2, 3, 4, G, E minor, do the same thing again, and then C, this is where it changes. We go the 13th fret of the E string, and then the one up, instead of being both 13th fret, we got 13th fret on the E string, 14th fret of the B string. Let me bring it up to the camera for you. So, just to recap, G, E minor, and then C, 13th fret E, 14th fret B string, and the amount changes as well. We're going to go da 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 da. Do that again for ya. And then we're going to go sliding up to the 15th fret on the E string. So 13th, 14th, 15th fret E string, 16th fret B string, and we're going to go twice. Then we're going to slide back down to the 13th fret E, 14th fret B, again twice. So we've gone. Then we're going to move down so that our second finger is on the 12th fret, the 13th fret of the B string, and the 11th fret of the E string. So we're a bit further spaced apart. Before we was together, now we're a bit more spaced apart. And then we're going to slide down so that we're on the 9th fret and the 11th fret. 9th fret E, 11th fret B. And then finally finishing up so that we're on the 8th fret of the E and the 9th fret of the B once. So just to take you through that little rundown. So we've got okay. So from the top, 2, 3, and G, E minor, C. Then we change. 11th fret E, 12th fret B. And then we slide up to the 15th fret E, 16th fret B, twice, then 11th fret E, 13th fret E, 14th fret B, and then we spread out so that we're on the 11th fret E, 13th fret B, then we bring it down so that we're on the 9th fret E, 11th fret B, and then finally finishing up 8th fret on the E string and 9th fret on the B string. Okay, that's how that is. So that's the intro with the twiddly bits on the guitar. Let's move into the verse. Right, here we go. So first off, what we're going to do, we just got that down, down, up, down, up, down, up chord. So 2, 3, and G. Then to D, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Stay in D, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, D, and back to G. G, 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 G. To D. D, D, and D, 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 back to G. Bridge, here we go. Starts with a C. 2, 3, and C. This is a bit you will get a sentimental feeling. So we got C, 2, 3, and C. Mental feeling. B minor. Then we got E minor. Voices singing, let's be jolly. Then we got once on the A. Deck the halls with A chord. Deck the halls with boughs of holly to the D. Okay, one more time with the bridge. So C, I'll bring it up to the camera so you can see. Now the B minor you can do it as an open chord, or you can do it as a bar chord just by placing your finger all across all 6 strings. So we're going to be looking for first finger on the 3rd fret E string, then moving along so that we're on the 4th fret of the B string. Then we're going to be on the 5th fret of the D string and the 5th fret of the G string. There's your B minor. Okay, bridge goes like this. 2, 3, and C. You will get a B minor feeling when you hear E minor. Voices singing, let's be jolly. A, the halls with D, 2, 3, 4, D, and then back to the verse. G, the Christmas tree, to D, 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 and then we go back to G. Right, now if you want to spice it up a little bit, yeah, we can go G, 2, 3, and rockin' around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party. And now what that is a slide. We're just going to slide up the strings. And then we're going to slide the G string. Don't go mad, just so you get that slidey sound. That's by holding the pressure on, plucking it and sending it all the way up. And then we're going to go down, up, down on the 11th fret of the E string and the B string. So we got 2, 3, and rocking around the Christmas tree at the to the D. Yeah, and then back to the G, and then we've got this thing, classic blues thing. 3rd finger on the what's that? That's the 7th fret of the E, and then on the B string 6th fret. And then we're going to give it a little bend, little bit of a discord. So just to do that one more time. So we've got the G, 2, 3, and rocking around the Christmas tree, ba-ba-dee, to the D. Got it? Slide up and then da-da-da on the 11th fret, E and B. And then to the D, da-da-da-bam-bam-ba-da-da, da-da-da, and back to G. Rocking around the Christmas. Just show you that one more time up to the camera. Let's get the full fretboard in. So we're just bending them two. And then back to G again, rocking around the Christmas tree. D. Back to G. Right, bridge, 2, 3, and you will get a sound. B minor, feeling when you hear. E minor, singing, let's be ready for the A deck. The halls with D, 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 and then back to the verse. Okay, so all we've got to do now is the ending. So the ending goes to the D would be everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Give you them chords. So we've got D, so new, D. Old, slide that D shape up one and put your little finger up there on the 6th fret of the D. So that's essentially a D sharp, D, D sharp, and then we got E minor, then we got, that would be an F sharp, that's going to be a bar chord. We're going to go down on the 3rd fret. It's a bit weird because we've got the capo on, so I'm trying to work out what's best to say. So for this song, we're going to have our first finger running down on the 3rd fret, 2nd finger there on the 4th fret of the G, 3rd finger and 4th finger on the A and the D string. There's our F sharp, and then slide that up 1 semitone. So we've got new old fashioned way. So there we go. One more time. New old fashioned way. To the E minor, and then C, 2, 3, 4, G. So there we have it, Rocking Around the Christmas Tree by the great Brenda Lee. Absolute Christmas classic. How did you get along? Let me know all about it down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions you may have for songs you'd like me to show you how to play in future videos. Always great to hear from you. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and help me grow the channel by clicking like and subscribe. It also helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials from the 60s and 70s. So more of that if you're up for that. Thanks for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'll catch you in a new video. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.